don't want to. I don't want to pilot the boat. Uh, hello and welcome back to Dredge. I am Burning Sloth. I am dredging this anyway. We have... Oh, right, I forgot. We can't sell to the fishmonger, can we? God damn, that sucks. I want to make some money, but I think we have to just get rid of all these. Anyway, now that we're like way faster than we were before, let's where's my map? There it is. We can actually like explore these other areas, which I don't really want to do. Oh, it shows me where my crab pots are. That's pretty cool. Anyway, I'm freaking terrified of just exploring. We don't need to necessarily look for all the relics right away, but I feel like we should definitely explore some of the area, and we could also get some more supplies for upgrades and such on the way. So I'm gonna dump all these fish, and I'll see you when we're out on the water. I hate the open water. You know what? I'm speeding up. Screw it. What the fuck is that? What is that? Nope. We're going. Holy shit. What the fuck are you? What the fuck is this game? Dude! I don't want it anymore. I'm scared. Why? I just wanted to explore. Oh my god. Help me. Kill me. Oh, this is different. Snake mackerel. Yes, we can. Oh, fucking hell. Oh my god. I don't wanna. Ow, I just punched my desk. Campsite. Who's here? Check on the campsite. Ragged note. Okay. What does the note say? Close down. Nobody knows. Does he know? Desecrated temple, forgive me. The only way he might understand. Must help him, must stop him. That's definitely not ominous. I'm just gonna sleep because I'm freaking terrified. Oh my god, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. There's a bunch of buildings over here. I can dock here. Okay, good. Hello, traveling merchant. Sure. Oh! I can sell fish to you. Nice. Put all this in storage. You can have my... Never mind. The fish is bad. Photographer. South of Maros. Okay. The hell are those? Oh, no. Go away. Get away from me. I don't want any. I don't want any. God, those fuckers are persistent. Oh, wait. You built a little house. Yeah. The Engineer's Companion. Oh, is that a book? Nice. Yeah, let me send these to storage and we got another book to read. Okay, nice. Let me go get my crab pots. Are you... Oh! Blinding headache today. Did you come by yesterday? I don't recall. Anyway, what can I do for you? Well, it's about time. Anyway, let me just take that. Here, have the rot. Can I sell that to you? No, whatever. That'll be in my storage forever now. Trader, take my doubloon. 15! Come on. Well, that sucks. Okay, we can get the +2 rod spaces. Just like that. And damn it, we need a lot of stuff. We already have most of it. I think we're just lacking wood and whatever the hell this thing is. Refined metal. How the hell do we get that? I don't like that there's a storm today. That makes me think something's gonna happen. Oh, I just crashed twice. Luckily, no damage was taken. Ah, damn it. No! Oh well. Still going pretty fast. Actually, no, that slowed me down actually quite a bit. Damn it. Got lots of stuff here. Okay. It is dark as shit and I'm scared. Where is the nearest island? Yep. Hey, buddy. Wow, you're just right over there. Fishmonger, you cannot help me. I can send these to storage, though. How is my storage? That looks pretty good. Okay. I haven't seen that strange red light in a while. Wonder what it was. You know what? You're right. I have not seen that in a while. Shipwright. Fix me up. There we go. And we have this trinket to sell, too. Take my trinket. How much? $30? Come on, dude. You're freaking raking me over the coals here. The first few that I found were way more expensive than that. Looks like there's actually a lot over here. That boat. It doesn't look like there's any dock or anything. Maybe over there? Hold on. Where's my, No, that doesn't quite look like a dock. What are these? Abyssal. Huh. See if we can find a dock over here. For valuables. Photography equipment. Hey, the lady needed that, right? Fuck, I'm gonna have to get rid of this. Yeah. Photography. The other, fishmonger, I already forgot what she was called. Please, nothing get me. Oh my god. I'm scared. I heard something. Please be a dock. It looks like a dock. Oh, thank god. Oh my god. Okay, there's a campsite. I'm gonna sleep first. Oh, nice. Inspect footprints. Okay. Can I just say how much this whole experience is just making my skin crawl? It's not fun. When I dredge stuff, it actually takes forever. Like, I need to get something that'll lower my, Oh, I got another message. From me back. Okay. I forgot what I was saying. Anyway. Oh, hello. Oh, you need a red snapper. Okay. Are there red snappers nearby? Red snapper? Oh yeah, look at that. Easy. Alright, buddy, here's your red snapper. You're gonna give me an answer if I give you the fish, right? Yeah. Oh. Another a sacrifice. Okay. Gross. Blackfin tuna. Interesting. Okay. Nice. I like tuna. Alright, how much does tuna sell for? 21.15. Very nice. Okay, so let's sell these trinkets and then we're gonna go return the photography equipment. And then probably explore just a little more. See what else we can find. Alright, how much? 45, 35, and 40. Nice. See, those are more expensive. But, yeah, let's go drop off the camera equipment. A whole ass plate. Yeah, we'll discard it. I don't need it. Who needs plates anymore? Just eat with your hands. Okay, lady. This place scares the hell out of me still. Fish market. Oh, you were just traveling merchant. Okay. Take the shark. I sent it to storage. God damn it. Where is it? Shipyard. I have your camera equipment. What was it that you wanted me to do? Oh, right. Talk to her. But I have camera equipment for you. I have camera equipment. Didn't you want that? All I need is the refined metal. Camera equipment. Whatever. It's probably for someone else over in that area. Way in like the opposite corner of the map, I think. Whatever. We will put that in storage for now then, I guess. Oh, there's a dock here too. Nice. Okay. This place looks very culty. Oh, hello. Oh, rapturous day. A fresh disciple carried to me atop the waves. Come ashore, weak thing, and rest your weary soul. No, I'm good. Oh. Your trial begins immediately. Tell me, what does your spirit seek? Sure, emptiness. The warmth of sun. What does the world deserve? Everything? Herald of the Purge. Okay, this is definitely a cult thing. Okay, you said you marked them on the map? Oh yeah, they're all just in this area. Okay. Crazy guy. Hadel? What the fuck is that? What is it all? What the fuck? Oh, hold on. There's no... What is Hadal? What the hell? I didn't even see that. Is that DLC? I don't even know. The fuck is that sound? Stop. I don't like it. You're scaring me. So... we got a little bit done. Oh, there's bigger lights. Give me that. Hell yeah. I don't know. To storage, I guess. Passively catches fish over time when deployed. Oh, okay. Does it do oceanic? It does coastal. Okay. We'll have that in storage for now then, I guess. But, yeah, I'm still freaking terrified. We explored a little bit, got some more quests going. Catch a fangtooth. Right, that one guy who ate the other fish we gave to him. Anyway, the next thing that we should do is try and figure out where to find refined metal. Because we need that to get our hull upgrade. Which will probably give us some more storage space, which will be really nice. Yeah, we'll figure that out in the next one. So if you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.